very lovely people. Welcome back to the channel. We are at Bike and Biker today, and we have actually come on to get the Barkbusters knuckle guards installed on my 390 Adventure. But then again, I thought I'll make a video of a fantastic gear which is available here at the Bike and Biker. Are from a very well known brand called as Lone Rider, and this is basically they cater to a very big segment, big CC segment bikes, and it has launched in India, and Bike and Biker is the official dealer for Lone Rider in India, and this is something which you're going to find very rare on YouTube. So probably I thought I'll just give a coverage about these products which are available in the store, and if in case you're interested, you can check into the website, find out those products, or step into the store and check out these products. तो दिखाते हैं क्या क्या products available है अभी इनके पास, और आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ कि इसका price वगैरह कुछ है, जो details अगर available है तो मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ ज़रूर. So these are the products that are available here, as you can see, and the stock is yet to be arrived is what I've been told of. So we have some tail bags here, some pouches here. Okay, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of all of these in a bit of a time, but so I'll show you these products, and I will try to possibly cover the pricing also. Okay, so I have my brother here, so that's the first item which is there, and this is the tail bag, and it's actually very lightweight. To be honest, it's very lightweight, and actually the color is really good. You have another tail bag here which is in black color. Okay, this is a tail bag. These are all tail bags. Okay, so this is another tail bag what is available. Okay, so that one costs, we just checked the price, that one costs somewhere like 19,000 rupees. So इसका pricing अभी हमको पता नहीं है. Okay, and I think this is more of a tank bag, as you can see. Okay, I think you have to flip, yeah, this one. See the product. They have actually come up with a very good products, the Lone Rider. Okay, जब भी हम लोग वेस्टर्न वाले की वीडियोस देखते हैं तो उसमें ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हमको दिखते हैं, तो that's how we got to know about this brand. And yeah, हाँ बता.
ये जो है ना GS 250 का,
हाँ
1250.
अच्छा,
प्राइस है 15,399.
ओके ओके.
So looks like these are the crash bar bikes.
ओके, क्रैश बार के लिए. So this is for the crash bars. Okay, what else do we have? ओके, दिस आर बॉटल होल्डर्स. और क्या, तो आपको क्रैश बार से कहीं पर भी आपको बॉटल होल्डर के लिए, दिस इज द पाउच. दिस कॉस्ट यू लाइक 3,600.
This one is also same
सम पाउच, नो क्रैश बार के लिए. ओके, ये वाला
this one is again frame bags, BMW GS.
okay.
This is
And one more thing I would like to the highlight here is all these products are basically for the high-end bikes. Okay, so and they are expensive, no doubt about it, but I think they're worth the money as well, isn't it?
they have something called 10-liter pouch.
Water pouch.
Not water pouch, you can keep your stuff in the
Okay. So that's on this side of it. Okay, so let's check the other side of it. What do we have here? I think it's almost more or less the same.
This one is for
Okay.
the side one.
Saddle bags.
Saddle bags. This is a saddle bag.
Okay.
Come with one.
Oh yeah. Can you see this? The complete locking system what you see here. Okay. So these are the saddle bags. Wow, that's really huge actually. Check this out. It's so huge, isn't it? But one thing is, these guys, the Lone Rider company, they make only the soft luggages. However, they come with the hard nature. Okay, so they don't make the aluminum panniers, etc like that. So these are hard but in the soft luggage. Okay, so that's about it. What else do we have here?
And we have the dry packs, which is 10-liter, 20-liter.
Okay, ये भी है.
This one is a travel pack of tubes.
Okay.
Travel packing set.